getting over you. I'm just a fool.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be unboxing my very first turntable or vinyl record and also my first set of vinyls. So I am very excited for this video. Yan. So kanina, I was very happy kasi na-ship na itong aking turntable, crosley turntable. So yes, I'm excited to open this. So I pre-ordered this turntable from fudgerockph. Since it is for pre-order and since sa US pa siya nanggaling, umabot siya ng 2 months, but I don't mind waiting. I really know naman na it's going to be worth the wait. I bought this model because it is cheaper compared with the other turntables. Kasi kung bibili ka ng talagang professional na turntable, minsan umaabot siya ng 20,000 pesos pataas. Ito rin yung binili ko since ang cute nung aesthetic, nung design. Meron siyang, para siyang suitcase. So dahil parang suitcase siya, madali siyang dalhin. And also, since this is really designed for beginners, mas madali siyang intindihin yung instructions. Enough with the chit-chat, let's open this one. And it's actually not that heavy. So, nasa loob din ng box is yung saksakan and the manual, the instructions. Ooh! Tapos velvet siya. So, ito na siya, guys! I'm so happy! Even yung inside niya, it's velvet pa din. Have a closer look. Ang gagawin ko na lang later is pag-aaralan ko kung paano siya pagaganahin. But before that, let us check out my vinyl. So sa ngayon, 5 pa lang yung meron ako. Let's start with the vinyls naman from Ben & Bart. Mamaya na yung sa Fudge Rock. And lagi ko na rin sinasabi sa mga vlogs ko na I love Broadway musicals. So of course, hindi ko talaga pinalampas. So I'm happy na meron akong nakita na Grease and Mamma Mia. This is Grease. Then the second one is Mamma Mia. So when you open it, dito na agad yung list of songs from disc 1 to disc 4. And ang nakakatuwa, meron din akong lyrics. Ayan, may lyrics ng Dancing Queen, may lyrics ng Mamma Mia. Ayan yung itsura niya. So these, I pre-ordered it through Fudge Rock again. So this is Avril Lavigne, Let Go. So puro Avril Lavigne to kasi I am a huge Avril Lavigne fan. Best Damn Thing, Avril Lavigne. And then, Under My Skin, Avril Lavigne. Yan. Okay, so let's open the Avril Lavigne Let Go first. So, meron din pala siyang ganito sa loob. When you open it, yeah, it has all the lyrics of all her songs from the album. And handwritten talaga siya. Oh my god, I will treasure this. Nako. Standing on the fridge, waiting in the dark. Is anybody here? Avril Lavigne, The Best Damn Thing. The vinyl.
Yan na! Anong nagagawa mo dyan? Tatagpag ba yan? Naalala ko yung plaka nung araw, nabutang ko yun.
Okay, so ito na yung last na vinyl natin. This is Under My Skin. Yes, this is her second album. Bakit ba? Why are you watching me? Go! So since na-unbox na natin lahat, we will test it out. Pag-aaralan ko muna. So, wait lang. So, tuturuan po ako ni Mami kung paano to. Sa practice, tuturuan niya. Ayan. So, since naturuan ako ni Mommy kung paano siya paganahin, I will try it on my own. So, I'll try to play the second song, Mamma Mia. So, since it's the second song, it should be sa second line, which is this part. Ayan, tama. So, ayan na yung Mamma Mia.
I was cheated by you, Mamma Mia. Here I go again. My, how can I resist you? And all the time that I cry.
Ayan, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And ayun, samahan nyo ako sa journey ko ng pagkolekta ng mga vinyls. So that's all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!